with you.
Hello. So sometimes when we use Springboot application, we get an error message that another port is using that the port that we are deploying our app on. So basically there are two ways to remove this. So the first one is finding the app that is using the same port and closing it. So here in our case, another app was using it. So after finding it, we stopped the application and simply started our primary application again, and it works. As you can see, our application is started. Okay, so we'll move on to the another way. So the another way is finding the application that is using the port from our terminal and finally killing that process. So in our terminal, will write this command. ls square and the port number that is using it. We find the PID, that is the process ID of the application, and we write our command kill and the PID that we want to kill. So yes, now the application isn't running on that port. So we can just check if our application runs. So as you can see, the application has started to run on that port. Thank you.